In this video, I want to guide you on how to fix Google Chrome not opening on your Windows computers, either on your laptop or on your desktop. The process is very simple. So I will walk you through three different means which you can use to fix this problem. The first thing you have to be sure is that make sure that the Chrome browser is not working on background. Sometimes a corrupted page might prevent your Google Chrome from opening or working properly on your laptop computer. To do that is very simple. Come to this start button, right click on it, you click on task manager. Sometimes you can come to this taskbar, click on it, right click on it and click on task manager. Once you click on task manager, you have something like this now. Make sure you are under processor and under this process, then scan through what you have here. If you have any Google Chrome browser here, then you need to close it. For example, if this Opera is your Google Chrome browser, just right click on it, then click on the end task button. This will now take away Google Chrome browser from that portion, thereby preventing it, and your Google Chrome browser will work again. And if you have access to any of this file that is here that is running on Google Chrome browser, also just right click on it and click on the end task button to delete Google Chrome browser from performing any action on the background of your device. So this will help you to remove Google Chrome browser from your device. If you done that and you try to restore it and it's not working, then let's try. The next thing you have to do is to locate and identify the Google Chrome browser icon on your laptop, like this one now is here. So right click on it, then open file location, click on it. Once you open file location, you have something like this. Now on the Chrome browser itself, click on it once. Then if you use Windows 10 or Windows 11, once you click on it, you have this option that says rename. Click on it and rename it maybe Chrome 1. Then click outside. Then you can send this to the desktop or you leave it like that. So once you are done with the renaming of a thing, then close it. Then go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. This should fix it. And if this does not fix it, then this takes us to the last process which you can take to fix Google Chrome browser not working on your device, is to remove the Google Chrome browser on your device and install it again using another browser that you have on your device. Now here is how to uninstall Google Chrome browser on your device. I will show you two different ways you can do that. First, right click on this, then click on settings. Once you right click on the start menu, click on setting, go to app here, click on app. Once you go to app, then click on installed app. Once you click on install app, then from here locate the Google Chrome browser. Here click on these three dots, then click on install. So this will help you to remove Google Chrome from your device. Then you can as well come to this place, search for control panel, click on control panel. Once you click on control panel, then make sure that you are under category, then click on programs. So under programs you see install a program. Click on that button that says install a program. Now from the option you have here, you have your Chrome browser, which is Chrome. Click on it, then click on this button to uninstall. Follow the on-screen process to uninstall. Once you've been able to uninstall this completely, then you need to reinstall it on your device. And doing so is very simple. You can use any browser of your choice. So let me open Brave browser. Once you open Brave browser on your device, then click on Google Chrome or you locate Google. Now here search download Google Chrome browser for Windows 10 or Windows 11, anyone that you are using. Then here click on this button that says download free version. Now that I've clicked on it, just wait a few seconds for this to generate, then click on this button to download this on your device. Once you download it on your device, then start installing it. Once you install it, then the Google Chrome browser will start working perfectly on your device. So that's all guys on how to fix Google Chrome browser not working or not opening on my laptop. If you get this and you've not subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and others. And I would like to know what you think about this project in the comment section. Thank you guys. See you soon on my next video.